So today we're sneaking up on Quinn because we have a couple of pallets. These are maybe 2 of Quinn. How many?
3 pallets for now. There's probably a few more coming up.
Okay, so lots of pallets from one of our corporate partners.
Yeah.
So as a leading independent hardtech innovation center, we have a lot of corporate partners that want to engage with the mHUB ecosystem, and Milwaukee Tool is one of them.
Yeah, so you can see there's 2 here. I'm about to tear down and do an inventory to make sure we got some of the things we ordered and see what else is coming through the line. These are a bunch, as I would say, toys. Most people would say tools, though you guys probably watching would also say toys, and equipment that is going to go through the lab. So you can see there's a little bit of a peak of red there. I'm about to rip open another pallet if you want to see some of the things.
Yes. See what toys have been sent to us.
Yeah.
So the idea, Quinn, is to put together like kits, right, for members.
So there's going to be some member kits, as well as stuff to perforate throughout all of the different labs. So just quicker to grab tools, better hand tools around, means you can work a little bit faster.
Like particularly at the assembly tables, right?
There's going to be specific kits at each assembly table, so you don't have to go hunt for a tool. That's usually one of the big problems of a space like this, is the shared tools don't necessarily always get put away in the right spot. But this will allow for, even if one thing isn't put away, you'll see one somewhere else that's exact. So there's now doubles, triples, quadruples of the stuff that people could typically use.
Cool,
so,
and easy to find because it's bright red.
Exactly, and we're going to be using the one key system, so we might be able to find certain tools in the building a little bit easier. Some projects to come with that as well.
Neat. Quinn, what does that mean, one key system?
So one key is their system that's a tool tracking that pings off phones, so you can actually see where a tool was last used, turn it off if it gets stolen, little things like that. This is not a promo video for Milwaukee. This is just saying things I'm excited about so I can find tools in the building, because everyone's like, where's that damn drill or whatever it is. So that was going through the list of our wish list. I made sure to get the one key fuel system whenever
Interesting.
possible.
Yeah, that's the first time hearing of that feature.
So,
nice.
Yeah, excited. You can see I have a very large list of tools to inventory and make sure they get to the right place. Just flipping paper for you. And now I just need to go through it. So I don't even know what these boxes are yet. But
let's find out.
See. Yay, just cardboard. Not as sexy as I was hoping for. Oh, there's some red things. Oh yeah, so like, you know, just lots of drill bits, because it's always a pain in the butt whenever drill bits go missing. And all of this Milwaukee knife is the same thing. So all of these look to be kits of, what are you? Earplugs.
Nice.
Safety first or safety third, however you want to say it. I don't know what you are. Let's open you. Oh, precision screwdrivers. Something else I can't quite tell.
It's like Christmas.
Yeah, it is like Christmas. So my next week is just going to be going through these things, and I'm sure there will be many videos, or several videos to come of showing how we plan on organizing this around the shop, easy boards of grabbing and recharging tools, custom-made jigs and things like that. I'm already going to say one of my favorite tools is this speed ratchet. Mario, one of our members, super Milwaukee user, was like, you have to get a bunch of these. Just assembling this kind of stuff makes it at least 25% faster. So I'm really excited to have these things in the shop.
Cool. Well, I think there's a lot more Milwaukee in our future.
There's a lot more red in the future.
So you'll probably see some on this channel.
Yeah.
Projects related to dispersing all these toys.
Yep.
Cool. All right. Well, this was a quick touch base, and we'll check you next time.
Cool. Thanks.
See ya. Bye.